With the COVID-19 pandemic, the one thing that's on the forefront of everyone's minds is a vaccine. In this video, you'll learn what a vaccine is and why an RNA vaccine might be our best bet. When your immune system encounters a pathogen, it produces antibodies which attach to the antigens to neutralize and mark the pathogen for destruction. However, it can take days before your body even realizes that there's a pathogen. A vaccine teaches your body to quickly identify and respond to a pathogen without ever getting sick. It's like a training program. Traditionally, vaccines have been made of a deactivated virus, a weakened virus, a piece of the virus, or its antigen. Unfortunately, these take a long time to grow. An RNA vaccine may be the solution. Instead of having to grow a piece of the virus, an RNA vaccine uses a strand of mRNA that tells the body how to make the antigen for the pathogen. It's like giving a student the antigen for a test. Once the antigens are made, they're put on display on the cell surface where the antibodies will attach to them, tagging them for destruction. Once the student hands in their test, the teacher realizes that it's not their work and gives them a detention slip, tagging them for destruction. In this way, the vaccine is like a training program teaching the school how to identify and respond to a cheater. Displaying the antigen on the cell surface makes the cell look like the virus. That's why it triggers an immune response. In reality, it's just a disguise. There are two main ways to deliver an RNA vaccine. The vaccine can be given to the dendritic cells taken from the patient's blood and then given back to the patient. This specifically targets the cells needed, but it's more expensive and requires more work. The second way involves directly injecting the vaccine to the patient. This is easier and it's cheaper, but it's not as precise as the first way. So why an RNA vaccine? Because the RNA vaccines trick the body into making the antigen itself, making the vaccine is simpler, quicker, and cheaper than traditional vaccines. However, since RNA vaccines are relatively new technology, they could have some unforeseen negative side effects. Also, since free RNA quickly decomposes, the RNA strands have to be specially packaged and the vaccine has to be kept really cold. Let's recap. RNA vaccines introduce a pathogen mRNA strand to the body, which tells the cell how to make the antigen for the pathogen, which it can present on its surface to produce an immune response. An RNA vaccine may be better for this pandemic because they can be produced faster and cheaper. I hope you learned something, and as always, be kind, be calm, and be safe.